I'm Jennifer. I'm so glad you're here for Quick and Easy Meals. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor, and more, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today, I'm going to be making a wonderful, super easy crock pot chicken sandwich. This chicken sandwich is called an Ohio chicken sandwich. I grew up in Ohio and I always had these chicken sandwiches everywhere we went. Whether it was a church banquet or a buffet or anything in town, even the Dairy Queen served these chicken sandwiches. Let me show you how easy they are to put together, and they're absolutely delicious. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and don't forget to check out the other channels participating in this collaboration. They'll be listed below. For today's quick and easy meals, I have a recipe that only takes 3 ingredients. I have about a pound of cooked and shredded chicken. You could also use canned chicken. I have a can of cream and chicken soup and a sleeve of Ritz crackers. I have my slow cooker on high, and I'm going to go ahead and add in the cream of chicken soup. This recipe was so popular when I was a kid growing up in Ohio. In fact, you may have heard of it before, called Ohio chicken sandwiches. It's a very famous recipe, especially for those of us that are from Ohio. You could have this recipe for these wonderful chicken sandwiches almost anywhere. They always serve this at the local Dairy Queens and schools, all sorts of different places all over Ohio. It's so easy to make. I have seasoned up and grilled the chicken. Then I just ran it through my food processor to shred it all up in nice little shreds, because we're going to be putting this on sandwiches, and we want it to stay really nice and thick on the sandwiches so it doesn't run out. I have one more ingredient I'm going to add. I'm going to chop up these Ritz crackers and crush them up really nicely, and then I'll be adding some of these as well. You can crush these crackers right up in the bag, or you can put them in a plastic bag. I'm going to get this mixed in. I have a few crackers left in the bag, but I don't want this to be too dry. All right, now there's one thing left to do. Just put the lid on and let this get nice and hot. The buns for the Ohio chicken sandwiches are always steamed, and they're really nice and soft. So I put these buns in the microwave and warmed them up to get them nice and soft. And now I'll get putting the chicken on. And here they are, wonderful chicken sandwiches. The buns are nice and soft, and the chicken is nice and hot. It smells so good. And I know my husband will be so excited when I serve these for dinner this evening. Thank you so much for being here today. I had so much fun reminiscing and sharing this recipe from my childhood. We love fixing it still after all of these years. I hope you give it a try and realize just how easy and how delicious it is. And don't forget to check out the other participating channels listed below, as well as the recipe listed below. I'll see you next time.